Yes, my dear friends, Section 498A of the Indian Penal Code has been misused by women to exploit their husbands and families. The Honorable Supreme Court has raised concern about the misuse of law, which was originally enacted to protect the married woman from cruelty. The Honorable Supreme Court has cautioned against the misuse of Section 498A by women in marital disputes, emphasizing that it was never intended to be a tool for personal vengeance against husbands or their families. The law originally enacted was to protect the married woman from cruelty, but has seen a misuse of rising of these matrimonial discord across the country. So the Honorable Supreme Court has raised concern about this, and we will also have to keep in mind that the background will have to understand the psychology why women are trying to get into this kind of misuse of law. We'll have to understand that India is a patriarchal the society is a more overly a patriarchal society. So here there is somehow a lack of awareness, emotional distress, and as well as for financial gains women do this kind of an act. And there are societal as well as cultural factors like patriarchal society, family pressures, as well as a lack of support system. So women of today's, no doubt most of the women, they are earning and they are very much self-sufficient, but there is a section of women who are deprived of these privileges, and later on when they find nowhere in a very bad situation, they try to figure out in order to how to gain money, as well as this shows the lack of confidence in a woman of today's India. And there are also there are various other factors which also gives rise because there is easily they can file the case, as well as they feel that this can settle scores between the wife and the husband, as well as there is also fear within the woman that whether the men against whom a divorce case or the or a matrimonial dispute is going on, or an adoption case or maintenance case, whatever may be, she may not gain the benefit. So in order to hook the person, because these cases, the other cases are civil liabilities as well, but they want them to get into a criminal liability. So this is the psychology which goes into a woman. But here we'll have to understand that most cases are being seen against women, but there are also certain cases which are very much true. So this is upon the judiciary to spear with the sword and come to the truth, and not media trials or something else can prove the matters in public forum. So judiciary takes its